Hello, this is Locomotive. Our group members are Wenhe, 个人流, Wu Feitai, Xing Let's give the floor to Dinah first.
And I'm going to talk about the quotation. So if you have a look at the website, you'll see that the services only have 5 levels and the delivery time only have 3 levels, and the price will be showed here. I understand that the website is trying to make it simple. However, when it comes to a translation project, it's about money, it's related with some serious jobs, and customers really need some more details. So I'm going to talk about the problems and how to solve the problems in 5 aspects. So first is that different language should have different price. If you have a look at here, you see that Chinese Simplified and French has the same price. That shouldn't be, because as a target language, Chinese Simplified always have less words. However, the translation work is the same. Second is different industries should have different price. There's no choice of the industries. However, technology industry, medicine industry, there are some industries that can be more difficult. Third is about project management. So you have different time and how many translators will you hire for the fastest translation. If you have multi-translators, how would you make sure that they are at the same quality, same standard? So I think there can be a PM section and a part to let the customers to review some of the past jobs of the translators to see what's their tone like and to choose what they want. The fourth is that they have an additional proofreading here. So what does that mean? Does that mean that your included proofreading is with lower quality? They should just delete it and provide same quality proofreading instead of asking for more money. Last is about discount. So if you have a look at the price here, you can have a discount coupon code, but how to get it? Probably like here should be a question sign for me to click on to see how to get the discount code. Probably from some people who have used their website before, or probably from some key opinion leaders.
This is all done manually. It's not a problem if the user only uses this platform for 2 or 3 times, but it can be a problem if the user uses this platform for several projects, like 10 or 20, because this process, the project assignment process, can be repetitive, which means it will be kind of a waste of time. So we can change this by adding a bit more automation. Then first, for users who have used this project before, who have used this plan before, the user can check the private translator's availability. If they want to work with this translator, then they will check with them. And then if they want to choose a new translator, the user can sort and filter the translators according to their quality, deadlines, and total words. Through the sorting filter function, the user will have a better idea of choosing an ideal translator to do the job. So after adding a bit more automation, the user can reduce their wasted time on waiting the translator to clean the job, as they can always check the translator's availability. Then this will increase efficiency and streamline the whole project. The second issue is about project payment. The user will first, to place an order, the user will first fill in the bill information, then the user will choose a payment method. Then it's actually not a major issue, but it can be a problem if the user uses this platform for several projects, because the user has to fill in the bill information every time when the user places an order. So, and another problem is about the payment methods. It only supports the 5 payment methods here, not including some other international payments which are more popular. So to solve this problem, we can add the bill information section into the profile page. The user can enter their bill information in their date section. Then this bill information will become default, so the user do not have to enter the same information again and again. Then for other payment methods, some other payment methods such as PayPal can be added into this section, so it can support more international users. After this automation process, the user will have a better experience on this platform because they do not have to do the repeat.
Hi, this is Heran. I would like to evaluate this platform from its core function, translation management. In my TMS evaluation, I found that a good translation management coordinates remote translator and contributors to work together over different time zones, so they can achieve a common goal. So during my evaluation, I found several aspects to improve, and I would like to talk about them in detail. First, I would suggest this platform to show translator status, their file just like Microsoft Teams. They can use different colors to show their status, whether they are online or offline or Z, so that translation manager can get in contact with the translators with convenience. Also, I would like to suggest that the second point, test shoes are not time zone for translators according to where they are and synchronize with Microsoft Calendar orders so that they will not miss the deadline. This will be more convenient for them to highlight line on calendar. So I think in this way, this platform will work better. So that's all of my evaluation. Thank you.
Next, I will talk about design and security in this TMS. First, I will talk about UI design. Let's look at this picture. The sort bar was divided into 4 categories. Actually, sometimes you may not remember the date or the delivery time. The total words very detailedly. However, you remember the team or the price. So we suggest that add a team and price bar for this sort function. And the other problem that we met for these TMs is that the project status, once you click one button, then the website will refresh for a time. And if you click 2 or more buttons, then it would refresh for 2 or more times. So it would waste the team a lot of time. So our suggestion is that to decrease these times and just leave more time for the team. So this is the suggestion or solution for this UI design. Next, I will talk about the data protection. As we all know, the most valuable asset for translation industry is data. The problem with the TMS is that we didn't find any backup button in this system. A way of protecting data is creating backups. So we can restore them in case of incidents such as hardware or software failures, malware attacks, or unexpected natural disasters. So our suggestion is to give backing up button for our customer, or even build a desktop application for our customer. Because if there are 2 ways for our customer to choose, that would be better for them to restore their data and in case some bad things happen. So that's about the data protection part. Okay, that's our final work. Thank you.